Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. If you're new here, I like to do this video monthly where I discuss the 15 best-selling Amazon products. But because of my gift guides during the holidays, usually the first few months of the year take a little bit to adjust to like the new products I recommend. So I decided to wait 3 months and do a Q1 bestseller. So today I'm gonna run through all the bestsellers for the past 3 months, and there's some really good ones. I have everything linked down below. If you want to watch more bestsellers videos, definitely check out the playlist below as well, and follow me over on my new Instagram if you haven't already. I think that's everything I have to say. Let's jump into it. Starting off strong with number 15, we have this beautiful book vase. Beautiful gold foil detailing. It comes in 3 different sizes and 3 different colors and styles, and I love it so much. I made a whole tab over on my Amazon shop with these like trendy decor pieces that kind of remind me of like the TikTok aesthetic girlies. A lot of pink, a lot of colors, and funky kind of decor, and that was part of that shopping haul that I did because of my own list. So glad so many of you loved it. I wish like all the books that I read would come out with a version of this because it's so cute. Number 14 is a must-have in my household. These little storage bags, and they're not little by any means actually, they're huge. They fit so much. I talked about them because I'm doing like a whole declutter and organization series on my channel and my life, and if you haven't watched that video, definitely do so. But I use them for so many things: for storing old baby clothes, for storing postpartum and pregnancy clothes for me, for linens and towels and things we don't use on the daily. They're so spacious. I love the fact that they have like a clear window so you can see exactly what's in there, and they fit so much more than you would think. They have handles on both sides, and I think I recently got like 4 of them for $10, so they're super inexpensive, and they come in different colors. I 100% think this is on this list solely because of my TikTok and my Instagram reels, because so many of you have tagged me and DM'd me pictures of your own Polaroid frames, and I love them so much. I think they would make an amazing gift. Such like a nice way to display your Polaroid pictures instead of what I used to do, which is keeping them in a drawer. So I love them so much. I think I got 10 of them for 20 bucks, so they're not super expensive, and they're freaking adorable. Number 11 is a little surprising. I wasn't really expecting this to make the list. I think I mentioned it in an Amazon Finds and Favorites, but it's this pack of neutral like thinner scrunchies. I thought it was about time I replaced all my mixed matte raggedy scrunchies. I think they're pretty good. I love the fact that they're not super thick. They don't like cut off my circulation. They're like satiny, so they don't leave like indentations in my hair. Number 11 is another must-have in my house. It's this carpet tape that I use to keep my washable runners in the kitchen in place. You can also use them on all sorts of rugs, but basically it's this double-sided tape that's really nice and strong, and that way you can keep rugs in place without having to buy like rug pads or anything like that. Number 10 is probably one of my favorite fashion finds ever from Amazon. It's this knitted swimsuit cover-up slash dress. You could totally wear this with a slip or like nude undergarment underneath because it's not like super see-through. I think it's so nice, so affordable, and it looks very high-end. The colors are so pretty, and I just cannot say enough good things. I love a long sleeve cover-up. I love the colors. I love the knit. Knit is super in right now, which is why I keep saying that you could definitely wear this as a dress. I think this is going to be a staple for me for the spring and summer, and I'm so excited so many of you bought it. Number 9 are these reusable, refillable hand sanitizer bottles. I just buy the $1 hand sanitizers from Trader Joe's, and I just fill them up. They even come with like a little funnel, so you can fill them up with whatever. You could even put perfumes in there if you want. I think they're amazing. You get 6 of them in different colors. So I'm so happy I found an alternative to the very expensive Sephora ones that work just as good. Number 8 is the $9 contour cream contour stick. I don't really know what to call them. Wands, I guess, is what Charlotte Tilbury calls hers. But they're a great alternative for those, and it's what I'm wearing on my face today. It just blends really well. I think the color works really well for me. I'll leave my shade down below next to the link. If you bought it though, I would love to know what you guys think, especially since like makeup is so personal and people have different types of skin. So if you have like oily skin or sensitive skin or anything like that, or a darker skin tone, let us know in the comments so we can help each other out, because of course I'm one person. I have like dryish skin and I'm of course like pretty fair, so I would love to hear y'all's experience with it. Number 7 is another beauty product. It's this under eye depuffer. It's tinted. Why did that come out so weird? I don't know if y'all can tell, but I've been extremely sick. Knock on wood, I'm fine. But I still have like sinus things going on, so I sound a little congested. I'm sorry. What I was saying. The under eye depuffer, dark circle eraser, whatever you want to call it, metal roller tip, and it has like a little bit of a tint. I use it like basically every day that I don't want to wear makeup, because it completely cancels out all the purple darkness under my eyes, and it makes me look more awake and put together without me having to pull out like the whole full face of glam. Number 6 is something that I fully estimate, and I guess this is calling it a little early because it's only April, but I honestly think this will be a top seller for the entire year, because number 1, I can't stop using it. Number 2, I can't stop gifting it to people that I know. Number 3, I can't stop talking about it on my channel, so I just fully expect this to be like a philosophy must-have, you know? It's this portable charger that uses no extra charging cords to charge it. That was like a tongue twister. Basically, it comes with a built-in kind of like plug, so you can instantly plug it in. It tells you the amount of battery it has. It has 3 different cables, so you can charge like your AirPods and your phone and something else, I don't know. It's amazing. It's always on like a flash deal or a sale for like less than 20 bucks. I've gifted it to like 4 people in my life. Mine, one of my friends has it because they low-key stole it, but it's fine. Number 5, I'm a little shocked about, especially because I've been gatekeeping it from y'all for so long. I think I bought this back in October and I didn't talk about it until now, and honestly that's a crime, and I will pay for it because it's amazing. It's these magnetic measuring spoons. One of you commented that I didn't mention like one of the best selling points. The thinner, like longer spoons on the other side fit inside spice jars. And I replied that I didn't know that, or I didn't mention it because I never measure spices. I measure spices with my heart, but even like for baking, I think they're amazing. I love the brass color, but they come in different colors or like finishes. It's just like a $9 thing that I cannot believe I was missing out on. And Mother's Day is approaching, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if there's many boys here, but you better get your mom these for Mother's Day. I promise you, she's gonna freak. Like, they're like such a mom and grandma thing to have that they have no idea, for the most part, that it exists. So I cannot wait to give my mom some for Mother's Day. Number 4, I'm actually not wearing. Wow, what a missed opportunity. It's actually Easter, so I really hope you guys had a lovely Easter. And I'm wearing these from H&M. I'll link them down below. But number 4 are my newest bow earrings. I have such a thing for bow earrings and bow jewelry. I think it's so feminine and girly and pretty, and these are no exception. They're so cute, so nice. They're not heavy. I think they add a little something to like an everyday look, but also like for Easter I could have worn them too. I just wanted to try these out and I kind of like them. But anyway, I've been wearing those a ton. I love them. I think they're so cute, so inexpensive. Obviously y'all love them too. Number 3, ew, I am not like, y'all, this is such like an irrelevant tangent, but I have to talk about it. I got my nails done just because like I really wanted a pedicure. That's like the whole point. Like I wanted a relaxing pedicure, so I was like, whatever, I'll get my nails done. And they look like little egg nubs. Like I hate them. They're like just like a tad bit short. I like short nails, and I did ask for short nails, so it's not the lady's fault. They're just like a little too short, a little too round, and like the color isn't really helping. They're like stubby. I don't love them. But anyway, where was I? Oh, always the Lazy Susan. I'm actually staring at it right now. So it's a rotating fluted Lazy Susan. It's huge, and I have basically all my beauty products in there. It fits so much. I love the fact that it rotates. It looks so nice like in a bathroom on top of a vanity, for your makeup, for your hair. Such a cute find, and once again a great Mother's Day gift. Number 2 is no shock, honestly. I was fully expecting it to be number 1. I've realized after doing so many of these videos that y'all love buying beauty finds, which I should really like step up my game with my makeup and my hair and all those things. But at least like y'all still trust me, even though I do kind of like a mediocre job with my own beauty situation. Anyway, that was unnecessary, Philo. Well, where was I? Oh, number 2. This pack of beauty sponges. And oh lord, am I obsessed. Like, you get 6 for $9 and they are softer, more squishy. They blend your makeup flawlessly, like seamlessly. And I prefer these 100 times over than a beauty blender. Like 100 times over. I cannot believe a beauty blender, it's like one for like what, 20 bucks, and this you get 6 for $9 and they work even better. So not surprised, almost wish they were number 1. If you haven't tried them, you absolutely need to. And the number 1 bestseller was definitely a little shocking because I checked like February and March like individually, and then I did the whole thing and it kept being the number 1 bestseller, I guess, since I mentioned it when I did an Amazon unboxing before I left for Puerto Rico. Insane amount of like buys for this tweezer set, and I think everyone needs tweezers, even men. They also come in black if you don't want the colorful version. I love the fact that they're so inexpensive. They're literally like $6 and they work so well. You get 4 different styles of tweezers. That's what I use to do my lash extensions. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it below. What I use to do my brows. Not that like that's anything to brag about, but like I just take off the hairs underneath. Sometimes it's what I use to like pop some pimples. It's just like a necessity to have tweezers, so I totally see why they are like number 1 bestseller for the past 3 months. And if you're looking for like good quality tweezers that aren't like $10 for one, I highly recommend. So guys, that's everything for today's video. These are your 15 best-selling products, and I say y'all's because it really is y'all's. Like, I sit here twice a week and I recommend so many Amazon products, and it always shocks me how many like products y'all actually buy and y'all like trust my recommendations. So it's not lost on me that y'all trust me like that, and I really appreciate it. I really hope y'all know that. I will always aim to give you guys an honest review, and it's not about like a commission or, you know, a sponsorship money or anything like that. Uh-oh, my light went off. I guess that's like my cue to shut up. Anyway, I really hope you guys know how much I appreciate y'all and how much y'all trust me. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a lovely April. I hope you had a lovely Easter. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.